Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be making some bean soup with this smoked pork leg. And I also will be using 3 carrots, 1 onion, some garlic, 2 of these bay leaves, some ground paprika, and of course these beautiful red beans that I left overnight to soak in water so that they are much easier to cook. And I also will be using some salt to season everything. And let's do this! The carrots I am simply cutting in these thin slices. I will be using a pressure cooker for this meal. You can use any kind of pot, but this is much better for this kind of meal. Now I am just putting in the carrots, the beans, and of course the smoked pork leg, like this. Now I'm putting in a little salt. You don't need to use a lot of salt because the smoked meat is already salty enough. So just a little bit, you see, maybe a quarter of a tablespoon. I'm putting in the 2 bay leaves, and now I'm just pouring water over it, like this. Until it almost fills up. Perfect. Now I'm putting the lid on and I'm leaving it to cook approximately for 1.5 or 2 hours. When you see it beginning to boil, then you need to take down the heat and you can leave it simmering for at least 1.5 to 2 hours. After around 1.5 hours, you can turn off the heat, and after depressurizing the pressure cooker, you can open it up and throw in some freshly cut garlic so that everything has a nice garlic taste. After another 20 minutes of cooking, you can take it off the fire and you can begin cutting up the onions. Now I am putting 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a preheated pan, and afterwards I am throwing in the onions, and I will be cooking the onions until they turn transparent and get this brownish color on the edges. And now I am putting in this finely ground paprika, and I will be cooking it just for a little while until I can smell it cooking, because if you cook it too long and you burn it, then you will give the whole meal a bitter taste. So as soon as you smell it cooking, you take it off the fire. Now I can open up the pressure cooker, throw everything inside, mix it all together and leave it for around 10 minutes to rest, and the meal is done. This is the finished bean soup with the meat inside. You can serve it like this as it is, or you can serve it with a little finely cut and salted red onions and a little white cream. You just take the white cream and put it inside, mix it up, and it's ready to eat. Hit the like button if you liked it, subscribe for future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.